Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to activate your Fiverr account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have the search bar and right here you're gonna find notifications, messages, lists, and orders. Here you're gonna find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find profile, pulse a request, refer a friend, become a seller, settings, billing and payments. And here you're going to find your language, currency, and lastly, help and support. So for example, we're going to click on go to profile. And right here, you can customize your profile. You can add a display name. You can add a profile picture. And from here, you can add your description, languages, skills, education, and certification. So basically, guys, in order to activate your account, go ahead and click on Become a Seller right here. And then it will take you to this page. Click on Continue. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? So you can read this right here. Click on Continue, Continue, and then you need to fill this form. So, as you can see, guys, right here, you need to fill this form with your full name, first name, and last name, your display name, if you still don't have a display name, your profile picture. You can add any profile picture, description. Right here, you can add your description. The minimum is 150 characters. And lastly, languages. Select which languages you can communicate in and your proficiency level. So right here, you're gonna find a list that includes all of the languages, and here you need to add your language level. You can also add more than one language. Once you finish, click and continue, and then you will go to the next step, which is professional infos, and then account security, and then you will be having a seller account. As you can see, guys, this is how a seller account looks like. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.